Adding horizontal and vertical cut markings to prevent shifting well cutting. In ONYX, you will go up to the top left-hand corner and select File. The drop-down will display the options you have, and you will select Manage Cutters. The Cutter Manager window will pop up. If you have never used this section before, then all the cutters will be selected. You will need to clear all of them first. Once clears, scroll down and find your cutter. I will be selecting the Graphtec FC9000. Click the box next to the name so that it is checked, and click the name so it highlights blue. Configure will now be grayed out until the cutter is highlighted. Hit Configure and a secondary window will open. You will need to go to the drop-down menu next to Intermediate Marks. In the drop-down menu, select both and hit OK. You will now be back on the first pop-up window and will need to hit Done. Your print preview will render if you have an image loaded with cut lines, and you will be able to see the changes in the preview. For finer details, we will enable the bleed in our quick sets by clicking Configure Printer. Now the Configure window pops up and you can either select the default quick set or one you may have already made or make a new one. For this example, I will be using my already made quick set labeled Set 1. Click the name so the program highlights it and hit Edit on the right. The Edit Quickset window will come up, and if you have not already selected your cutter, please do so in the cutter options now. Now a cutter should be displayed. We will now be clicking Advanced at the bottom of the window. The Advanced Options window is now open, and we will need to find the Finishing tab and select the Bleed section. Enable the Image Bleed. You will now be able to select Bleed Marks. Select Corner Marks as seen in the video. This will enable the cutter's ability to cut into the bleed of the print. You may now hit OK, the window will close, and hit OK again in Edit Quicksets. Now hit OK or the X on the Configure Printer window. You will now be able to cut finer lines with your cutter with the information you have changed in ONYX.